Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to adjust your Milanaise watch bracelet. Now these come on many watches like Casio, Timex and Bering, as well as being available to add to your watch from brands like Staib, which is what I'll be working with today. We have a couple of styles of bracelet to look at, the quick release clasp and the most common version, what we call the hook and snap clasp. We'll start with the hook and snap, which is easy to adjust if you know how. All you need is a flathead screwdriver and a soft surface to work on. I'll be making these adjustments with the bracelet not fitted to the watch, but it is just as easy when it's fitted. When you receive your bracelet, it'll come in one piece like this. Start by opening it and separating the two ends by unclipping both sides and unhooking the clasp. Put this end to one side as all the adjustments are on the other end. Now with the two ends separated, use your screwdriver to gently lift the locking latch until it pops open. You are now free to slide the bracelet through the clasp to the right size. Once the strap is the desired size, simply press the latch back into place, making sure you have it in one of the notches on the bracelet. These can be hard to see, but by sliding the bracelet back and forth, you can feel them quite easily. Once locked in place, pop your watch on and check it for size, making any necessary adjustments until it's perfect. Next up is the quick release clasp, which as the name suggests is very quick and easy to adjust and requires no tools whatsoever. Once fitted to your watch using the quick release spring bars, hold the watch on your wrist and slide the bracelet through the clasp to your desired size. Firmly clip into place, again making sure the clasp is in one of the notches on the bracelet. This is the easiest style to adjust on the fly, making it perfect for people in hot environments when you may need to loosen the bracelet on the go. That's it for this guide. We hope you found it useful. I'll leave a link in the description to all the products and any tools you've seen today. You can head to our website to check out our wide selection of Staib bracelets available at watchobsession.co.uk. Hit that subscribe button and leave a comment below for what video you'd like to see next. See you next time.